Well, you guys, here we are. Again, I'm beginning to sound like a broken record, but guess who missed the cutoff to not get the Tonic Craft Kit 99? That's right, me, again. So, you know, either I get too many emails or I'm just in a fog, I don't know. But once again, by the time I read the email saying that they were going to be shipping out or billing me for the Tonic Craft Kit, it was like a day late. So we have Tonic Craft Kit 99 to look at. I decided that I can't keep doing this. You know yourself, prices are going up. I can't afford to keep getting kits that I otherwise would have said no to because they're not cheap. And this one's got a lot of good things in it, thank goodness. But it's still, the point is, I could have lived without it. But especially since it's like a Valentine's Day, I'm a widow. My grandchildren are older, except for one. I've got nobody to make Valentine's Day cards for. So I guess I'll just use all the paper and stuff. So, or maybe the seniors are going to get Valentine's Day cards this year from me. I don't know. And part of it is a 3D kit. And I have absolutely no use for anything 3D because I just don't have the room. I just don't have the desire. But here we go. Craft Kit 99. Let's take all the goodies out. Like I said, it did come with a bunch of stuff. All right, let's put the box away. As you can see, it comes with paper, and it is cute paper. And some of the, seniors are like kids, so, yeah. All right, so let's start. It did come with a folder. I am going to try to put these out closer so I remember to use them. So, all right, so here it is. Tonic Craft Kit 99. Have a heart. Gift box. There will be no gift boxes involved. We will just make cards. I don't know. See, we'll just make a card. All right, so let's put this aside for now. We don't need it. All right. It has a little sticker. Let's put the little sticker up. I had to do the same thing with Simon Says stamps because I would miss it by hours. So it does have instructions to make the box, but we're not going to make a box. But it does have cute little, dies. This one says love. So I'll just take this little charm-like thing. I'll make it into a card. So we've got those. We've got this big We got triangles, hearts. This is a cute heart. Hexagon. Yeah, hexagon. So those are the dies. And there's instructions. I guess you're going to make a heart hanging basket and why, I don't know. But, you know, in this dimensional heart that they show, here, a little goodie box. But I'll figure out some sort of card. And like I said, it's got some nice paper. It's got 18 sheets, and this is 8 by 8. And then it's got all little candies and stuff. So, you know, I will use it. I will use it for senior cards because they'll get a kick out of it. Let's look at the papers or the cardstocks. Oh, we've got holographic. Wait. We've got plain white. This is pretty. Look at how shiny that is. And this is pretty. This has got like a shimmer. And this is pretty. I mean, it's pretty. It's just not $45 worth of pretty. And this one's real pretty, the shimmer. And then I think the rest of these are just regular cardstock. Your traditional red Valentines. And then a kind of a purpley pink. So let me know in comments if you got this one. And if you did, I trust that you wanted it. I did cancel, like I said. I've had to cancel the Simon Says for the same reason. But I can always pick it up, you know, and I think it's $5 more if you don't subscribe. Whoop. See, we got lots of stuff in here, so... The thing is, it's $5 more, but you know that you want it, you know. So even though it's $5 more, you're saving money because you're not going to get ones because you forgot to cancel. All right, so we've got an adhesive tape runner. We've got honeysuckle dries translucent in dual I can't even talk, jewel drops. These are pretty. Little shakers. Oh, maybe I'll make shaker hearts. Oh, that's a good idea. And then shimmer powder in violet brocade. The problem is with their shimmer powder is I have every shade, and they haven't come out with a new one in years. And I don't know why, because I love the shimmer powder, and I love, you know, if you're not familiar with it, you squeeze the powder out, and then you spritz it with water. And then this particular one that is lavender breaks out into all the different purples and lavenders and magentas. All right, and then we have Tim Holtz Tonic retractable craft knife with 3 extra blades. And then a package of spare blades, which is nice. I don't know if this will work better than the retractable craft knife that I have. It's getting dull, so I don't know. I've got this one. I don't even know where this one came with. I don't know where the extra blades are for it either. So I suppose this will be good. Anyway, so that's it. Let's go ahead and look at the paper while we're at it, though, because it does look like it's cute. Let me put all this aside. "18 sheets of 8x8, 200 GSMs. What does that say? 3 each of 6 double-sided designs. So let's have a look. All right. So we've got this one. It's just kind of a weird, it's like, excuse me. It's got like a weird, do you see that? Like it's 2 panels put together. It's interesting. So there's 3 of these. They are heavy. And then this side says love in all different languages. Amor. And the other ones I can't pronounce. And then we've got this one. This is cute. Got 3 of those. And this says love. This is cute. See, now this is like squares. Kind of weird. All right, so then we got 3 of those. This is cute on this side with the little faces. I love you, love. All little happy faces. That's cute. And there we go again with the lines. I don't know what the, oh, that's cute, red and black. And there we go again. Tell me this is not weird. That is just weird. And I don't know, I mean, obviously they made it that way, but I don't know. It's making my OCD go crazy. That's nice. This is really cute. I like that. With the different pinks and like little bluish, little puffy hearts. Oh, okay. So then the back of these are where the little candies are. And little tags and stuff. So that's cute. Who made this? Is this a Tonic product? It is. Art pad. All right, well now, let me get some water, hold on. Okay, now we're officially done. All right, so let me know if you subscribe. Let me know, tell me I'm not the only one that messes up. Maybe I am. I don't know. No more, though. This will probably be our last Tonic studio kit that I show. Unless there's one that really knocks me out. And then I would purchase it willingly. So, anyway, so that's it. I cannot believe that January is half over already. I just, see, and that's my problem. Life is just going so fast, and evidently I cannot keep up. And this is what happens. So, anyway, there's a lot of stuff that I'll use, so it's not a total loss. Oh. All right, so that's it. I'm looking forward to the weekend. The weather's been decent here. Very foggy, though. We get a lot of tule fog this year that we haven't in the past, so, but it hasn't been blistering cold, so that's a good thing. And I know a lot of places have a lot worse. I know. So, all right. So that's it. Kit number 99. I can't believe when I first started getting these, I think it was at 34, 35, and now they're at 99. It's just amazing. So, all right. So if you're a subscriber, thank you. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can hit that subscribe button. If you hit the bell, it will send you notifications when a new video is ready to be watched. The thumbs up is the like button, and that's an important one too. And then there is the sharing button, because sharing is caring. All right, so short and sweet today. Leave me a comment. What you think of this kit, if you got this kit. If you skipped the kit like I was supposed to, let me know that. So, all right, that's it. Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.